Get it to go higher.
I can't. I gotta recharge it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let me recharge it first. Come on, Chopper. Okay, here I go. Yeah.
Woo! Look at that! Don't hit the light. Man, I want to see that in the dark.
We ought to take it outside in the backyard.
Wait.
That is cool. Is this the year 2004 or what?
Let me try something.
Wait, watch. This is a real Matrix.
Hang on.
Whoa! Whoa!
Violet, here, let me go and you can do the Matrix.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, it's easy.
Uh-oh.
Here's a real good way. Watch. Here, watch.
Keep it there. Keep it. Oh, get it up there and keep it there.
Dad, you like this thing, don't you?
Yeah, that's cool.
You want to try that?
No, hang on.
It's really easy.
Keep it there. Okay.
I guess Nancy's hiding.
Yeah.
Wait, Dad, try. See,
Here, let me sit.
All you have to do is hold it.
Okay.
just
Here
hold
we
the
go.
trigger.
Whoa!
Okay, let go. Okay, on the go.
And see, you wait here. I'll show something. Let me see it. Okay, this is how you get it to hover.